Hello, in this video, we will see how to hide data fields. We're going to make data fields private. Making data fields private protects data and makes the class easy to maintain. So look at this circle class. You create the circle object. What happens? You change the radius. You can assign a new value to c.radius. What happens if you assign negative 5.4? It's allowed, but it's not really good. It doesn't make any sense. So we should prevent this from happening. How do we do this? We're going to make radius private, and then we're going to provide the method to set the radius. In the method for setting the radius, we're going to test if the radius is non-negative. If it's non-negative, we're going to set the radius. Otherwise, we're going to just set 0. So in order to achieve this, we have to use this syntax for radius. We're going to have this double underscore before radius. So now, when you create a circle, you're going to invoke the setRadius method. This setRadius method will test if the radius is greater than or equal to 0. If so, we're going to set the radius. Otherwise, we're going to set 0. So now this 2 underscores before radius to make a radius private. Come back here. You're trying to use radius, c.__ radius. No, it's not going to work. It will say that no attribute __ radius. So how do you retrieve it? So we're going to provide a get method. So this is a get radius. So get radius will have this. It is return radius. Self.__ radius. So this will return the radius. Now you can use this get radius to return the radius. Use the set radius to set the radius. Now this is a common convention when you set a data field private. You can provide the get method to enable the user to see the data and use a set method to change the value for the data. The notation, the common convention is use get and with the property name. And if the property is a Boolean property, we use is instead of get, is property name. For the set method is always set the property name, and you give a new property value, this parameter for the property value. So this is the program. So go with private radius. Now please note that the syntax here, you have 2 underscores before radius. Now, if you add 2 more underscores after radius, and this is not private anymore. So you have to just 2 underscores before radius. That is all for this section on hiding data fields. See you on the next video.